So we're talking about covering a large opening with a large roller shade. So if you come into contact with a window opening that's really big, you always want to put the brakes on it. You always want to like take a step back, figure out exactly, whether the materials that you have that the customer is interested in, if they can actually be made in the size that you need. And then also that the motor will actually have the capacity to handle that size. But then also that the power associated with running that motor is able to be either connected to the existing power that's there, meaning line voltage, or if I've got to run it all the way back to a central location that's in a closet somewhere, or a server tower or something like that. So it's important for you to make sure that you just pause and take a deep breath and don't move forward with anything until you know for sure if it's going to work. I see it all the time. We're at a house, we're trying to install, and then it turns out the power is not, the power that was run to the window openings is not the power that is compatible with the actual motors that the manufacturer provides. Huge caution, huge red flag that you need to put up and stop at that moment, because the cost of making an error with those particular aspect of the project will cost you dearly if you make the wrong choice.